man. I'm washing machine man. I'll show you my washing machine power. First of all, this is dirty shirts. Open the washing machine. Set dirty shirts and clothes. Wash mode beam. Set this timer beam. Okay, let's wash. Wash, 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 wash. Okay, let's open. Look at this, look at this, look at this. The t-shirt is clean. Wow, yay. This is washing machine power. Okay, next wash. From here, it will be a silhouette quiz. First question. What is this silhouette? What is this silhouette? Okay. Set. And close. Let's wash. Wash, 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 wash. Okay, let's open. Oh, thank you. Oh. Answer is apple. Okay. Next question. What is this silhouette? What is this silhouette? Set and close. Let's wash. Wash, 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 wash. Come on, wash. Okay, let's open. Answer is grape. Okay, last question. What is this silhouette? What is? Oh my gosh! I'm sorry. One more. What is this silhouette? What is this silhouette? Okay. Set and close. This is last wash. Let's wash. Wash, 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 wash. Come on, wash. Okay, let's open. Answer is pig. Not the watermelon. Okay. That's all. Okay. Thank you for watching my show. See you next time.